Hello everyone, my name is Luis Carlos Nájera, and today we're gonna talk about the other part of library. We're gonna talk about creating your own library. In this case, I'm not gonna explain you a lot of my code. I'm gonna work 100% in the terminal so you can see how this work. Let me talk a little about my code and then we're gonna go to the terminal. It's really fast. In this case, as you can see here, you should know already how to import. In this case here, I am importing from math a square root. What is a square root? A square root is a function that comes from Mac that takes or that gives you the square root of any number. And yeah, as you can see here, I am calling it from math, but now I am making it myself. So they can use it from my library, so they don't need to call math, you know, easier for someone. So yeah, then we got password. It's a simple. It's only another type of data. In this case, they're words. They could be numbers or anything, and you can call them from anywhere. I'm gonna call them from the terminal. If you can do it from the terminal, you can do it from any other document, following the same steps. So yeah, I'm showing you like with the hardest, so you can do it with anything else. Then here I'm defining two, in this case two functions, one that needs from data and another that doesn't. Why? Well, very easy, because one is going to return something without getting data, and the other one is not going to return something if you don't give them data. You know, okay, let's work with it. It's really easy. In this case, we're gonna import. In this case, the name of my library is the name of the master 10 C library. Without .py, because every library must be .py or Java or a programming language. In this case, oh, it says that it doesn't know it. Oh yeah, sorry. Python tree. Remember always to run Python tree and then import. Oh, yeah. Import. In this case, is M10 from mastery 10. Create library as ML, my library. What does that mean? My prefix in this case is gonna be ML. So let's run it. I'm gonna say print. First of all, I'm gonna print my library point password. So it's gonna print exactly the data that I have stored in password. It's really easy. Then I'm gonna run a square root. How? Well, really easy. I'm gonna run. In this case, I'm gonna do like the same. In this case, the name is sqrt. So I'm gonna say my library.sqrt from a square root of 4. 2. You see, I did not develop that function, but I can use it with my name. So if you don't want to give them like access to really hard to use libraries, you can do that job and give them only the library that they're gonna need, or only the comments they're gonna need. The next thing we're gonna print is a function that doesn't need any data. You run it just like that. My library dot fprint function print, and it's gonna print anything you want. In this case, it's correct password. You can change there, so it says anything else. And for the last, we're gonna print, in this case, from my library point dot sum, and we're gonna put the two numbers 2,2 4. You know, we can change those values to -2 -2. It's gonna be -4 or -2.5, and it's gonna be 4.5. As you can see there, you can give them any data or functions, or even functions from any other library that you make them for yourself, and you change the name so it's easier to access to them, and they can use it. That's the way you create a library. The only way, well, like literally, the only thing you need to create a library is to call it with .py, and when you import them, that's all. You don't need to write .py. So in this case, yes, as a really quick example, I'm gonna import again password remember, get password, the one that we use in Mastery 9. In this case, it's called get pass, but I'm gonna print it with another name in this. I'm gonna import get pass as GP, right? And you can say gp.getPass and put it like that, and now you write your password. In this case, it's gonna print it because it doesn't know what to do with new data. Luis. So yeah, that's the way it works. If it works in the terminal, it's gonna work in any other document. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like it. If you need any help, let me know. You got my email. You can comment in my blog. You can do anything you want. YouTube, even a message, WhatsApp. I don't have any problem to help you. I like to help people. Thank you a lot. Bye.